What are you doing?
I like the shape.
Look, he's scraping his horn. He's scraping his horn, baby. Cleaning his horn.
I'm recording it.
What?
Zebras got
Sharpening up
horns.
that sucker.
Oh, wow.
Them jokers know where to go, huh? Man.
Oh.
I gotta line this glass up, baby.
Okay.
You know, rhinos are strong enough so. Boom!
Glow.
Trucks.
Yeah.
Hey. So we're looking at zebras and all the animals. They're so cute and wonderful and it's a part of nature.
Mm-hmm. The Most High made them, huh? More zebras.
Some of them.
Yeah, you're right, because some of them is hybrids.
I
Yeah,
like
slow
zebras.
down, please. What that, slow down? What that one doing over there in the water?
No.
Drinking
Hey,
water?
I'm talking to you, you know. Hey. Hey. You ignore me like that, man. Hey.
Run.
Why you have all these stripes and everything? I like your shoes. They match your outfit. Let me stop. Look at them over there.
Yeah.
No, I think, no.
The family hanging out.
Looking at me.
They over there eating, I guess. It's raining today. Chloe, you too loud. You'll make them run. Come. Mm-mm. Wait, what's that? Something brown
What
over
was
there?
that?
Y'all too much.
How not that make an animal sound?